everybody, it's me, Reagan, and I'm super pumped about today because I am doing my first life video for the channel. It's gonna be great, so stay tuned. Okay, right now we are about to go to the beach. We're sitting in the back of the truck. Some surfboards, some boogie boards, a grill, all kinds of stuff back here. We are here at the beach, and I'm gonna show you Noah. Caleb is playing in the little kiddie pool.
Reagan, should I drink your last sip?
Are you having fun? Alrighty, so we've been at the beach all day since about 11, and so it's been pretty fun. We're packing up and getting ready to go home. Alright guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely had a lot of fun putting it together for y'all, and I will see you next time. Bye.